Okay, so today I'm in the kitchen and I just wanted to share with you this summer drink that I have been loving, and all my friends keep asking, hey, did you bring drink? I know it's a silly name. We had much better names, but it's just now called drink. And I have been reaching for it all summer and everybody seems to really like it. So I thought I would share because it's really good and it's super easy to make. Okay. This is all you need to make this yummy drink. First thing you want to do is just pick your tequila. These are 3 nice ones. I'm probably going to go with Milagro because it has a nice smooth taste that just sort of disappears in your drink, and I prefer my drink to taste like all the fruits I'm putting in and not so much the alcohol. Margarita glass. I usually use 3 limes and about 1 cup of pineapple. I like to stick with the natural stuff because then I don't get a hangover. If you like your drink less tart, use just 2 limes. I like a very tart drink, so I use 3. And then I throw a splash of tonic in it for sweetness, but I don't like overly sugar drinks, and tonic can really sneak up on you. This one is very low sugar. It's all natural sugars, like everything in it's derived from citrus fruits, and so it's very nice. It gives you the sweetness without all the sugar. And then I usually throw some seltzer in, and I like to use a big ice cube that keeps your drinks nice and cold for a long time. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to go with Milagro because it's a slightly smoother for mixed drinks tequila, and I like the taste to kind of disappear into the drink. So I'm just going to put 1 ounce in. If you like a stronger drink, obviously you should put more in. So put that back. And then we'll add our big ice cube so it keeps the drink nice and cold. Okay, I'm gonna put in the 3 limes. Like I said, if you don't like your drink as tart, then only use 2. Okay, your limes are added. Now I'm just going to add our pineapple. I'm going to do the same thing, just pop these pieces in here and get some juice out. But I do take the fruit and just kind of dump it in there because I think it's nice at the end. You have some drink flavored pineapple, and it's just kind of pretty in the drink anyway. Okay, that's looking pretty good. And then at the end, I just put a splash of the tonic water in for a little bit of sweetness. Like I said, this one's very low sugar and it's all natural. So I just put a little splash in, and then I top it off with a little seltzer. And there you have the drink, which we have been drinking all summer, and everyone who's tried it has really liked it. There it is, drink. It is so good. I promise you will love it, and it's just a few ingredients.